Timber
Plane,
X.
you could take off any direction.
Rocket Man.
Okay, no. It's this one.
Beauty. Those lights will be sweet.
No hands. Straight as an arrow with
Oh,
a
yeah.
floor cell. That's pretty cool.
Is this the 4-cell?
Yeah.
Sweet. See that light, man? That's cool. I'm glad the wind died down.
Yeah, it did.
It's moving right along there. Just half throttle or so?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I'm gonna come the other side of you here. Look at them clouds. Looks like a rain cloud still. It's a hard time in the night like this to get a good focus on these, isn't it? It's always a little blurry.
I think my camera lens, I wiped the front, but yeah, I think it is having a hard
Just
time
the-
focusing
yeah.
on the white.
I don't know if there's a low light motor. Getting comfortable.
Just
Look at that.
floating, man.
And that's without flaps, ain't it?
Yeah, and that's like quarter throttle.
Nice. Nice. Did you go with a rate switch on this one too? Did you?
It's on the lowest.
Yeah, okay. It's nice because then you can just get more comfortable and get nuts.
Right.
Because I know this plane can hover and do all kinds of stuff.
Bob said with his flats on there to do 3D, I'd probably need them off better because I don't like.
Yeah.
It flies all right upside down, but yeah, I hear you.
Honestly, I think it flies great. It's a good airplane.
4-cells are better in it. To be
Yeah, it
honest.
seems happier.
Yeah.
The engine's not, or the motor's not working as hard.
Yeah, almost like stall turn.
Yep.
Get out of the clouds.
Yeah, listen to that. Just kicked right in, didn't it? Little knife edge there.
Yeah, better not. Be happy the front gear's still on.
I'm telling you.
Although this is the battery, I was getting froggy.
Yeah, there you go. Live and learn a little.
When it faces us, look at that light. Yeah.
There you go, I got it.
My minute.
Yeah.
That was a perfect setup for a landing.
Yep.
Come back around and do it.
I don't know how you say his name. What is it, Mike Patty or whatever?
Yeah.
He's got Scrappy. Did you see him
Yeah.
flying at Oshkosh?
Yep, the newer one.
Yep.
Yeah.
Search and rescue. I didn't realize he had solar panels and batteries in the
They
wing.
did all that, dude. That was so cool.
That's really awesome.
Let's see if I can keep the wheel on the end of that.
He has the same lights in the front of the action, you know, the real full scale. That'll work.
Dust it.
That'll work. Timber X.
Got a little battle wounds, but we complained on.
Right. For sure.
All right, trial cuts on.
Good
I
flight.
had 19 seconds left out of 5.
Yep.
And that battery's dead because it does kill them.
All right, man. On to the next one.